Hey everybody, it's Christopher here. Today we're going to be doing a slightly different video than what I normally do. Today I'm going to be building a kit, a billboard kit done by M3 Minis by Aaron Brockhart. Kit looks pretty fun. It's a resin kit. It comes in two types, and it's just a regular billboard, or you could pay a few more bucks and get a lighting kit to go with it. I opted not to do the lighting kit. I probably might do another one soon with the lighting kit. For now, it's just going to be a regular kit. Now, normally I would have just built the kit and taken pictures and posted it, but I decided that I want to actually do a video on how everything came together. Kind of like Dave Meeks does his videos over at Thunder Mesa Studios. But anyway, I digress. So like I said, it's a resin kit, and looks easy and simple enough. Directions are pretty easy, and yeah, we're going to go ahead and get on into it. Let's go. Alright, so here are the parts, including the instruction sheet. Everything's there. Everything looks good. Like I said, the kit is a resin kit, and it does say that you need to possibly sand parts if they're, too thick to go in the holes, and the usual about all the kits. So the next step will be to prime and paint each part. Okay, so the first coat of primer is on. I'm going to go let these dry, and I'll do another layer of prime, flip them over, and do 2 coats of primer. And then I'll go back and paint them appropriate colors. Most are going to be painted black with rust spots. The post is going to be mostly the rust brown color, and I'll go and I'll hand paint the control panel, the electrical panel, and handrails. I'll make sure that they stay black. Oh, I don't know, I may keep them a rusty color, but anyway. And the walking grates will probably get rusted up too as well. But so, all right. I also got some small handrail parts. I'll paint them separately. If I get it with this way, they just blow everywhere. I'll attach them to painter's tape and paint them that way so I can control them. So, all right. Okay, now, so everything's been painted, and I put the backs on the sides where the advertisement will be going. Now, normally, you could buy advertisements straight from M3 prints, but I've made my own. I've got 2, one for each side. I got East Tennessee #1 classic rock station, Rock 101. It's a throwback to a radio station I used to listen to as a kid in Houston, 101 Rock Place. But this one is now in Tennessee, where my layout is. The other is just add more fuel to where you are. It's an advertisement for both the Smokies and Gatlinburg, and for Dollywood. So next step is I'll cut these out gently, put them on the billboard using a little bit of white Elmer's glue, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, I've got the advertisements on, and when I printed out the one for 101 Rock Place, it was a wrong ratio. It was too short. And I was thinking about it. I says, no, I think a better billboard, just because would be the local country music station. So I did that one instead. I printed it out, got that. So next, is to actually start building the actual top part together. And away we go. Okay, so next step is to put in the light fixtures onto the game plank. So I've got some super glue gel in the slots here. I don't know if you can see. So now we're going to go through and add to them. There you go. There's one. There's two. Three. Four. And oops, got one. One's trying to get away. And five. Now I said before, there's also a lighting kit that's available or extra. I opted out of the lighting kit, but you could easily get the lighting kit and drill out little holes and put the LED lights in these and look really good. So I gotta start the camera because I dropped two of them on the floor. I gotta grab them, and look at this. You can't even see me while I'm talking. And I'll do that, and we'll go from there. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is gonna put a little bit of some super glue right here, and a little bit right here, and this in the hole. And I'm sorry, you saw my keyboard. Okay, and then take this one, same thing, in the hole, put it in the hole. Okay, and there we go. Okay, now we're just going to take some super glue, same thing here. Not much, I'm using way too much. Don't do what I do. And yeah, I should be flipping it probably this way. And then same thing here. In the hole. It's hard holding this and doing this at the same time, as you can see. Gotta find the hole, find the hole, find the hole. Okay, let that glue dry for a minute, and yeah, we'll go to the next. Next, we're gonna put a little bit of glue in these holes here. Again, I'm using way too much. Don't do what I do. And now we'll take these, put it in. Again, holding and doing this at the same time, a little hard, but all right, we got it in. I'm gonna let that sit and dry. I'll flip it over and do the other side. And now we glue the end on. And I don't know if I can do this and hold the camera at the same time. I so need a tripod. There we go. Okay, let that dry, and we're going to start putting on the handrails. Okay, so now the handrails for the end is on, and yeah, the next part will be to mount it onto the side there. But before I do that, I'm actually going to work on the electrical box and run some well, I gotta figure out where exactly I know where it's going on the layout, but I need to go figure out exactly where it's going, and that will determine whether or not which hole it goes to. It can go in the middle one here, or it can go here. Let's see, here we go. Like that. Or it can even go this way. But it's either going to go in the middle or this way. I need a tripod so bad. Anyway, so, alright. Okay, so one of the last details that I'm going to be adding to the billboard is I printed out two Clear Channel logos, and they will be going onto the billboard saying that it's Clear Channel who owns the billboards. So I'll be cutting these out and we'll glue them on in. Okay, the billboard is marked that it's owned by Clear Channel on both sides. Right, next video is where it's going to go on the layout. And she's done and in place. She's not in place yet. I got to finish doing the scenery around the spot where the billboard is going in. But yeah, so I'll back out and show you where it's going to go. Right over here by Houston Street. There's going to be, I got more scenery to do in the back, and I got to do the, it's going to be a road going up under behind it. So yeah, I'd say it was a pretty decent kit. Aaron Brockhart did a great job. Yeah, overall I give it a 4.5 out of 5. So don't hesitate to go check out his website, m3minis.com. Link will be in the description. So have him on a roadie. Peace out, everybody.